Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back. In today's session, we are going to explore how AI agents are conceptually deployed in real-world workflows. Whether you are an AI enthusiast, a developer, or an IT professional trying to understand where these agents fit in your business environment, this video will help you visualize the entire flow clearly, from the design phase to execution. Now, when we talk about deploying AI agents, people often imagine complex coding setups or heavy infrastructure. But conceptually, the deployment process is not about technical scripts. It is about structuring intelligence into your workflow. Think of it as setting up a team of digital specialists, each one trained for a specific purpose, and then connecting them to your organization's existing ecosystem. The first step is understanding the environment where your agent will operate. This could be a customer support system, a marketing workflow, a DevOps automation pipeline, or even a content creation platform. Every environment has inputs, outputs, and dependencies, and your agent should be designed with this context in mind. For example, if your agent handles customer emails, it needs access to inbox data, response templates, and CRM information. Conceptually, you are creating an ecosystem where the agent knows what data to use, where to act, and how to respond intelligently. Next comes integration planning. This is where you map how your agent connects with tools, APIs, or automation platforms. In modern setups, integrations often happen through systems like N8N, Zapier, or Make, which act as bridges between your agent and other applications. These tools help route data and trigger actions without requiring deep coding. Conceptually, you are creating highways for your agent to communicate with other systems. Once integration is planned, we move to defining the workflow logic. This means you identify the specific triggers, actions, and outcomes for your agent. Let us take a real-world example. Suppose your AI agent manages social media posts. The workflow could look like this. It detects when new content is published on your website, summarizes it, generates captions, and posts it to multiple social platforms. Each step is part of the deployment logic, and your agent becomes the orchestrator of that flow. Now, every good deployment needs a reasoning and decision layer. This is where frameworks like LangChain, crewai, and OpenAI GPTs come into play. They give your agent the ability to reason through data, handle dynamic scenarios, and make decisions that are not just rule-based. For example, instead of posting the same message everywhere, your agent could decide to use different tones for LinkedIn and Twitter based on the platform's style. This reasoning ability makes your deployment intelligent, not mechanical. The next critical step is monitoring and feedback. Once your agent is deployed, it needs to continuously monitor performance and learn from results. Conceptually, this is like teaching your team to self-evaluate after every project. Agents track what worked well and what did not, whether a workflow took too long, a response failed, or an integration broke. This feedback loop allows you to adjust prompts, logic, or integrations to make the system stronger over time. Security and access control also play a major role. When deploying AI agents in enterprise environments, ensure that data access is limited only to what is necessary. Agents should not have unrestricted access to databases or customer information. Conceptually, treat them as employees with defined roles and permissions. Each one should only see or modify what it truly needs to perform its function. Finally, every deployment benefits from scalability planning. Once your single agent works well, you can extend it into a multi-agent system. For instance, one agent might monitor customer queries, another might generate responses, and a third might analyze satisfaction trends. Together, they form a scalable ecosystem that grows with your business. By now, you should have a clear conceptual picture of how AI agents are deployed in real-world workflows. Understanding the environment, integrating tools, defining logic, enabling reasoning, applying feedback loops, maintaining security, and planning scalability. If you found this session helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which AI or automation topic you want me to cover next, and we will explore it in our upcoming videos.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetguide.net.